There are some applications of atmospheric pressure. So what are the applications? First is the drinking straw. See, when you suck in the air, okay, when you suck in the air, the pressure into the straw, it decreases. So there is an atmospheric pressure which is applied on the surface of this liquid into the whatever cold drink or glass you are drinking. So when you suck in the air, the pressure inside the straw decreases. Outside pressure which is applied on the surface of liquid, it pushes the liquid into the straw, and therefore this liquid enters into the straw and you are able to drink the cold drink. So drinking straw is the application of air pressure. When you suck in the air, the pressure inside straw decreases. The outside air pressure, it forces the liquid to push into the straw. The next example is of a syringe. You all know this syringe. So when you pull back this thing, the air pressure inside this, it decreases, and therefore it could inject the whatever the liquid or the whatever the vaccine is there, or any of the what you can say medicine is there, you are able to take into this medicine, and when you pull back this thing, the air pressure decreases and the liquid pushes inside. So syringe is an example of atmospheric pressure. When you again pull this inside, the air pressure into it is released and the liquid moves out. Rubber sucker. You must have seen when anything or any of your sink, it gets choked up. So this rubber sucker is used. This rubber sucker work. This rubber sucker has a concave base. So when you stamp this rubber sucker, due to this concave base, all the air is pushed outside. When this air is pushed outside, there is very less pressure inside it. So that fixes onto the choke up or the sink, and then when you pull it, it sucks into the air and all the choke up releases. So rubber sucker is also an example of a atmospheric pressure, where application of atmospheric pressure is there. Tire and football. You all have seen that in bicycles or in vehicles, you fill air into this tire. So when you fill the air into this, it does not squeeze. Okay, the air inside this exerts pressure outside. Therefore, it is able to balance the pressure. The tires are able to balance the pressure which is exerted by the cycle or the human body which is driving the bicycle or the vehicle. So this pressure is balanced by the air inside the tire. Even football, when you fill air into the football, it takes this shape of the football and you are able to play the football. Vacuum cleaner. This is a very good application of atmospheric pressure. What does vacuum cleaner do? There is a fan inside this vacuum cleaner. When it rotates, it sucks into the air. When it sucks into the air, the outside pressure into this, it pushes all the dirt particles into this. Okay, so fan, it helps to filter the air. It sucks into the air, which creates a low atmospheric pressure into this tube, which takes into the air and dust particles with it. Here it is filtered, and the vacuum cleaner cleanses all the things. Dropper. So when you all must have seen small babies, they have this medicine dropper. When you press the medicine dropper, air pressure is created into this. Okay, more air pressure. When you release this dropper, it takes all the liquid into it, because the air pressure into it is low. When you release this, the air pressure into it, it takes all the liquid with itself into the dropper. So this is medicine dropper. Aircrafts. The artificial pressure is created in the aircrafts, because when you fly into the aircraft, that time you are going away from the earth's surface. You suddenly feel that your ears pop up and you can feel the sound, or you can see that your ears have you are not able to hear some sound. So this artificial air pressure is created so that passengers feel comfortable. When you do mountain climbing, your ears feel popping due to the decrease in pressure when you go high. So difference in pressure is there, and therefore your ears feel this popping due to decrease in pressure. So mountain climbers or astronauts, they wear special pressurized suits so that they can withstand the outside pressure. Okay, weather forecasting department, here this weather forecasting department, daily they give us update. How do they give us the update? Why it is possible? Because due to the temperature change in the atmosphere, the air pressure also changes. When the temperature increases, टेम्परेचर जब इंक्रीज होता है तो एयर प्रेशर, एयर इट गोज अप, सो लो प्रेशर इज क्रिएटेड एंड देयरफॉर विंड्स कैन ब्लो. व्हेन द टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस, एयर pressure increases, so more pressure is exerted on earth, and therefore you can feel the pleasant atmosphere. So these are all the applications of atmospheric pressure. Kindly go through the video properly and read the lesson and solve the assignment.